You've probably been hearing this name come up quite a lot recently and wondering what it's all about. Well, you're in the right place. So let's start with who DeepSeek is. Before we dive in, let me quickly share why I'm passionate about this topic. I spent over a decade in the tech industry, working as a DevOps engineer and a cloud specialist with companies such as Royal London Asset Management, BP, and Octopus Investments. So DeepSeek is an artificial intelligence company founded in 2023, based in Hangzhou. It develops large language models and is dedicated to making artificial intelligence, AGI, a reality. Okay, so let's get right into it. DeepSeek has released several versions of the AI models, with the latest being DeepSeek V3, which has 671 billion parameters. It was trained in about 2 months of approximately $5 million, whereas ChatGPT cost nearly $100 million. The company is known for their commitment to open source development and research transparency. DeepSeek models have shown impressive capabilities in reasoning, coding, and creative content generation, competing with industry giants such as OpenAI. One thing to note, that the CEO of DeepSeek was previously the founder and leader of High Flyer, the hedge fund, one of China's top quantitative hedge funds. The platform is also accessible on sites like Hugging Face and chat.deepseek.com. So let's talk about their speed. We're talking 60 tokens per second, which is 3 times faster than their previous version. DeepSeek V3 demonstrates exceptional performance, reasoning, coding, and mathematical computational tasks. It can process up to 128,000 tokens in a single context, enhancing capabilities in tasks like legal documentation, reviews, and academic research. This model shows superior performance in programming skills, excelling in both competitive coding and real-world developmental scenarios. It is incredibly capable of handling coding tasks, reasoning, and understanding language. So if you're a developer and you love to maintain API compatibility with previous versions, DeepSeek is definitely worth trying out. As of now, DeepSeek are also staying true to their missions. Their model and research are freely available to everyone, hence they are open source and freely available to use. Now let's get into their performance and benchmarking. As you can see from the image, that DeepSeek is the blue one, and you can see that in most of the performance benchmarking, it outcompetes most of its competitors, and in coding challenges, it outperforms some of the biggest names in AI. While DeepSeek V3 competes directly with established closed source models such as OpenAI's GPT-4o and Anthropic's Claude 3.5, now let's talk about the API pricing. This is probably one of the main reasons why most people will switch over, especially if you're a developer. DeepSeek V3 is making the API accessible. It costs 27 cents per 1 million output tokens. Now, wait a second. OpenAI for 1 million output tokens on ChatGPT 4o costs $10. That is 90% cheaper. So if you're making web apps, mobile apps, and you need to use the API, DeepSeek is so much cheaper, 90% cost reduction. Let me explain to you what this chart means. Going from left to right is like increasing the size of the book, and going from top to bottom is like searching from the first page to the last page. The green color shows how successful it is at finding what you're looking for. The amazing thing is, this graph shows us that DeepSeek V3 is equally good at finding information. So why should you care about DeepSeek V3? One, it's absolutely free to use, so you could get cracking with it right away and use it. The API is 90% cheaper. You're getting pretty much the exact same performance. So that's DeepSeek V3 in a nutshell. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about DeepSeek, or if there's something specific you would like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.